Alright, so before you can change your body physically, you need to change your mind. So you've already joined the course, so that means you've taken action, you've already committed yourself, you believe in yourself, and I'm going to give you a few more tips that will help you prepare your mind so that you can be successful. First thing, kill excuses. Some of us should win awards for the creativity that we have when we come up with excuses. Excuses are tools of incompetence, and those who specialize in them seldom amount to anything. You are a champion, you will be successful, you will kill those excuses. Second thing, progress takes time. Don't be so hard on yourself. You will get there. Consistency and dedication and determination will help you get to your fitness goals. Thirdly, how you're tracking your progress. Of course, you'll go based off how you feel. Use measuring tape to tape certain parts of your body, the stomach, the hips, the arms, the chest, and then you'll be able to tape them again at the end to see progress. Do not weigh yourself every day. The scale is not a good metric. Your body weight fluctuates daily based on your water, based on your food intake, based on your eating habits, stress, hormones. So many things go into it. The scale is not a good determination of your progress. Fourthly, expectations. Not all results are aesthetic. There are many other non-aesthetic benefits that you will see after consistently exercising. Mental clarity, more energy, better mobility and range of motion, reduced stress, and just an overall better sense of well-being. Some things to not expect. You shouldn't expect to stop working out after this program. Exercising should become an integral part of your daily habits. If weight loss is one of your goals, don't expect huge dramatic results in just this 8-week time period. Results and progress take time. So stay committed, stay determined, and you will get there. And don't expect to not hear compliments. Hey man, you're looking really good. You've been working out? Wow, you have this glow about you. I can sense it. And the final thing we're going to get into is setting goals, which we're going to get into in this next video.